Hey friends, so today I'm going to show you what would happen if I was working on a contract and my employer said, here's a credit card, go out and buy just the bare minimums of what you need for a grab bag or a go bag, or what we call in tactical lockpicking a second line gear bag. If they said, just buy the bare minimums of something you would feel comfortable bringing into the field. And for this, we're talking about lockpicking and bypassing, or tactical lockpicking. We're gonna try and do this all in one shoot with just a little bit of editing for timing, not for content. Here we go. Up first, I'm gonna try and find all of my administrative items for you. So we have a hammer, we have a headlamp, we have a small multi-tool, which I should probably upgrade. This wedge is kind of considered an administrative item. I have a very versatile light that can be attached to a number of different ways, both male and female Velcro. We have a magnet, we have a carabiner hook, we have a Velcro loop. It's pretty cool. And I prefer headlamps over handheld flashlights most of the time when I'm doing operational skill sets like this. What else do we have for an admin item? I have a couple very small screwdrivers. And that's about it for admin. So right here you're looking at maybe $100-ish. And now we'll just go pocket by pocket. So this front pocket I keep for most admin items like flashlights and multi-tools. The next pocket back, I would recommend at a minimum a couple bypass drivers, at least one for the Americans and one for the ABUS. I would definitely get at least 2, maybe 3, I'll show you, really thin gauge decoder tools. You can see they're the flexible metal material. Another admin tool, needle nose pliers are great for bending really small, fine metal. Next pocket. This is probably the pocket that's the easiest to get to, especially in the dark or without light, or when your hands are busy or tied up. On a carabiner, I would keep a set of bump keys, which I don't love the bump key approach, but I have used it occasionally in the field. A set of generic is fine, or Sparrows makes a good set. Lockpicktools.com makes a good set of your, why am I blanking out? Oh my God, your auto jigglers. And then just a set of almost any manufacturer is fine for warded picks. And we'll keep that all in a carabiner, makes it really easy to access. I have finally come to the dark side and started practicing with and doing some testing and evaluation. I do love the Traveler's Hook. Yes, things have changed, and they should change as you grow. Also, doesn't seem like it's that important, but these small emergency keys, which could be replicated by small screwdrivers, like a flathead and a Phillips head, these are fantastic for privacy doors once you're inside something like a residence or a commercial building. Next pocket, this is the main body. I'm actually gonna kind of side skirt that, and we're gonna go into this smaller admin pouch. In here, I keep a Ziploc bag, and this is all tension wrenches and some advanced hooks and rakes and longer full-bodied picks. If I am going to focus on a keyway entry, these are some awesome tension wrench tools. We have some different full-handled hook picks for single pin picking. We have just a couple extra lock pick sets if I can probably rake something open, and a small tool will do, or I can hand these to someone else on scene if they know what they're doing. Again, more top of keyway items. These are really nice from Covert Instruments. These are top of keyway ergonomic tension wrenches. And just a couple regular double folded tension wrenches here. Back to the main body. At least one pry bar for automobiles really helps out when you're doing a through the frame entry. At least one airbag wedge for the same purpose, which is through an automobile frame when you separate the door from the body and reach in with a reach tool. At least one option for attacking the hinge pins on a door. Your bump hammer to go with your bump keys. At least one longer handled door jim tool for latches. Another admin item is just a standard Phillips head screwdriver. Another admin item, just small handhold wire cutters or bolt cutters for very small bolts. And in the back, closing out our selection, is a door jamb, which I love. Very low cost, very high usage points for that one. And a couple commercial latch shim sheets that you keep in the back. All of this together, and I did a quick back of the envelope total. It was around 400, maybe between $400 and $500. And that is what I would feel comfortable going into the field with if someone said, get the bare necessities for your lockpicking and bypass bag. So hopefully that gives you some ideas, and that shows you a little bit of insight. There are tools that I did not put in the bag for this video that I carry, but I wanted to show you just a baseline of the bare minimum for me, for my use case. Thanks so much for checking this out. We hope to see y'all on the next one.